Hey, this video for William K. Construction. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, and shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. And as I see here, this is pretty much it. So you need definitely put more text because Google love content. You need at least more than 1,500 words here on your homepage. And also the important, if you put more pictures and if you save pictures in the correct way, like for example, if you check this picture, how it's saved. Let me see. Yeah. See, it's just some characters. So if except of here will be like a nice keyword, will be better for ranking the site. And also, site is not secure. You need to change this stuff also. So if you make this one secure, put more pictures with the correct keywords and put more text, at least more than 1,500 words, it will be better. The second thing I want to talk to you is a citation. And what is a citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. And citation is basically to say it's yellow pages like Facebook, LinkedIn, those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services. Within there would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on the maps here, you need to make sure that you're looking at your competitions directory listing and seeing what they currently being listed in, and then you just want to put more than they have, and that way you're gonna be completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation, and last thing I want to cover is backlinks. And so that's has a lot to do with this section down here of this organic section, and you see like Yelp, expertise, home advisor. So there are a lot of nation companies that are taking up the top of the page, and that their way backlinks work. It all means that their website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If for example, the backlink from ice cream shop is not going to work the same as, for example, backlink from another construction company. So it's better if it's industry relevant, and a lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of these tools I have here, it's called Ahrefs. Here. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. And I see you here getting found for 34 keywords, and out of those keywords you are getting only 10 people on average to your site each month. And if I see one of your competitors here is called Your Construction, if we check him, see they have 506 keywords, and out of that keywords they're getting found for 221 people they have traffic each month. And as I said, it's not 100% accurate, but it's gives an idea how which way to work. And of course you can boost these numbers, and it's very doable, and we specialize in this. So that's pretty much it. That I had, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy your free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did, that will be appreciated. And thanks again, and have a great day.